Hello everyone, welcome to AglaSem Talent Search Exam. This is Priya Shivasto and today I'll show you a demo of how you can take the exam from the ATSE application. Let's start. To start your examination, open the ATSE application. Here you have to enter the registered number with ATSE. As of now, I'm using a demo number. Once you'll enter the number, you'll receive an OTP on the registered number. Enter the OTP here. Now you're redirected to the start page of the application. In the test section, you can find the list of the exams allotted to you. In the date section, you can find the details of the examination, that is, the exam date, examination time, the declaration of result, and the distribution of a scholarship. In the profile section, you can find the details of the user. In the notification section, you can find the detail of the exam, that is the dates and the sample papers available for the examination. In the award section, you can find the details of the awards that will be distributed to the ATSE winners. Now you are redirected to the start page of the application. To view the list of the exams allotted to you, click on the test button. Here you can see the list of the exams that are allotted to you. To start your examination, click on the exam button. Once you click on the exam, you will be redirected to the verification page. To verify your image, click on the Verify and Start Test button. Once your face is recognized successfully, your exam will start. Here you can see in the top left corner the duration of the exam, followed by the name of the exam, and in the top right corner you can see the close button. You can see the question here and the options available in the questions. You can also switch to the question directly using the question palette. To do so, click on the question button. Here you can see the list of the questions available. To answer your question and save the answers successfully, click on the options and click on the Save and Next button to save it. To switch to question directly, use the question palette by clicking on the question button. To switch to question number 25 directly, click on the number and you can see you are switched to question number 25 directly after question number 3. Click on the options and click on Save and Next button to save your options. Once you've submitted all your answers, you can click on the Close button to close your test, or you can wait for the duration to close automatically. As of now, I'm closing the test. Click on the Close button. It will ask you, are you sure to close it? Click on the Close button to close the test. Here you can see you have got a message that your test is successfully submitted. Click on the Go Back button. And now your test is successfully completed. To view your results, please stay updated with the ATSE website. Thank you.